the year of the butterfly. Why is that? Because this year is all about restoration through transformation, which means it's time to change. It's time to flourish. It's time to evolve into the beautiful woman that you are, made of many colors, and fly. We're not hiding our beautiful wings anymore. It is our time to fly. He restores my soul in a world that pulls us in so many different directions. My very first book, which is called Journey to Restoration, a 40-day prayer journal. This book had a book club where I went live for 40 days, and it was amazing. The ladies in the book club, I mean, they loved it so much, and we connected. At the end of the 40 days, they said, "Nikki, what do we do now?" And I said, wow, I hadn't thought about that. And that's when God led me to Restoration Weekend. This is more than a conference. It's a divine appointment. It's a time to lay down the weights and rise up in faith. So join us at Restoration Weekend, where healing flows, faith is renewed, and God makes all things new.